This is what happened when I was driving my Tesla when the screen is suddenly froze. When I was pressing any of the buttons, it was not responding and it completely froze, and this happened when I was driving it, and luckily I found a charging station nearby, so I pulled over and I'm trying to troubleshoot this. So if you ever get into this situation, don't panic, just do what I did. So keep watching, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. So what we are going to do is, you see this rotary buttons on your steering wheel. We are going to hold this. So you're going to press both the buttons inward, not sideways, not up and down, just straight inwards, both of them at the same time until you see the screen is blacked out. So now what is happening is that the computer is rebooting itself, and now you can see the Tesla logo. That means it has turned back on, and we will just wait until it's back online. While that's coming back online, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So here you can see that the screen has completely restored. It has come on, and now everything is back up online. So when I press any of the button, it is responding really well. So don't panic, just do this trick and it will work just fine. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye bye.